BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
Good morning, Michael here from BTP. How are you all today? Well, today is one of our country trips. Today I'm currently in Blanchetown, heading for Waikerie on the Renmark, and today we're doing the Riverland trip, or today, tomorrow, and future trips probably off to York Peninsula, Eyre Peninsula, somewhere around there. But yes, we do get out, we do see country customers. If you need us, if there's anything that's specialist IT based, we get out there. And so today, a bit of a rest stop, a bit of a comfort stop here in Blanchetown. Beautiful place. If you've never been here, down in the Riverland, you've got houseboats going past, lots of history, great place to go and visit. But for me, going straight on through, so just have a bit of a stretch of the legs, being safe driving, and on to the next town. So off to set up some internet for a country customer, connecting all their offices back into the Adelaide offices, doing quite a bit of interesting work there. So yes, we get out and about and we see our country customers. So if you're in the country, you need a bit of IT, you need someone who's a bit of a specialist, someone to help, someone beyond the normal guy down the block, give us a call here at BTP, give us a comment, and catch up with us and see if we can help you out. Have a great day, people.